There are a range of techniques for working with measuring and proportion, depending on the type of reference you're working from. Being able to understand and use these is the key to being able to make that tricky transition from drawing from your imagination to drawing from reference photos through to drawing from one or a small collection of real objects in front of you. Once you can do that, the world really is your oyster in drawing terms, so I'm really excited to share these skills with you. Hi, I'm Mel and I'm an illustrator, artist and a qualified teacher with over 15 years experience in teaching others how to draw. Learning about measuring and proportion is without doubt the skill which will have the biggest impact on your drawing. If you are a complete beginner, this class will give you a great foundation in all things measuring and proportion. If you have a little drawing experience or you're pretty comfortable with drawing from reference photos, but find it difficult to transition to drawing from life, this class will give you some real tools to help you do that. Or it may be that you're pretty comfortable with drawing, but you'd like a refresher on some of the basics, and I think this class will be a great fit for you too. We will begin by going over the fundamentals and theory of what measuring and proportion in drawing is and why it's important. Next, we will use the grid technique to work from a reference photo to produce a drawing with accurate proportions. Then we will progress to working from a single object using the viewfinder technique to help us draw this accurately. Finally, we will move on to tackling a simple still life using a variety of sighting techniques to help us achieve realistic proportions. Along the way, I'll be giving you a ton of practical tips like how to construct a still life and also how to check and correct your drawing when something isn't quite right. So by the end of this class, you'll have so many new drawing skills. You will be able to draw better than before you started watching it. So if that all sounds good, let's get started.